About the news first, Maharaja Corporation, which backed the Liberation Tigers of Tamilam operations to divide country together with the US Pentagon operations for a 30-year period, which failed. Now failing, they say that through yesterday on their TV channel, News First in Sri Lanka, owned by Maharaja uh, capital organization, the holding company, that in Sri Lanka's down south in Tissamaharama, a particular Tissamaharama lake built by one of the ancient Sri Lankan king in the 3rd century BC before Christ, that is before Jesus was born, had been now repaired by China's People's Liberation Army soldiers. So they have broadcasted a video on their news channel showing certain video images of these Chinese People's Liberation Army soldiers wearing the same uniform undertaking the repair work. Let's first look at this video.
තිස්ස මහරාම වැව ප්‍රතිසංස්කරණය කිරීමට යයි කියමින් ආරම්භ කළ ව්‍යාපෘතිය කටයුතු වල නිරත වී සිටින හමුදා කැලෑනිල ඇඳුමකට සමාන ඇඳුම් ඇඳ සිටින චීන ජාතිකයන් පිළිබඳව මේ වන විට පුළුල් සංවාදයක් ඇති වී තිබෙනවා. එම ව්‍යාපෘතිය නිරත ශ්‍රී ලංකා ඒකාබද්ධ සමාගමේ සමානධිකාරී තුසිත බලන්න මහතා පැවසුවේ අදාළ අංශ එම ස්ථානයේ පරීක්ෂා කර කිසිදු ගැටලුවක් නැතයි පැවසූ බවයි. පසුගිය දින කිහිපයේම යුද හමුදා කැලෑනිල ඇඳුමට සමාන ඇඳුමින් සැරසී ඉස්සමහාරාම ව්‍යවහාරණ ව්‍යාපෘතියේ නිරතව සිටින චීන ජාතිකයන් පිළිබඳව අප තොරතුරු වාර්තා කළා. ඊයේ පස්වරුවේ අප වාර්තාකරු එම ස්ථානයට යන අවස්ථාව වන විට අදාළ ඇඳුමින් සැරසුණු කිසිවෙකු දක්නට ලැබුණේ නැහැ.
Actually, this situation, the US must take the full responsibility because we are a non-aligned country. Just because we were close to US, it doesn't mean we are aligned to the US. Neither we are aligned to China, neither we are aligned to India, neither to UK or European Union or any other country in the world. Sri Lanka continues to be a member, official member of the non-alignment movement. But on the other hand, what the Pentagon did, we know through the Liberation Tigers in creating chaos in the north and east for the last 30 years, more than 30 years, the war, destruction, and also the huge damage and the continuous US Congresswoman involvement to pass proposed laws in the Congress for recognition of the Tamil homeland in the northeast. Under those situational factors, as non-aligned members, Sri Lanka's only option is to get close to China, a little bit more than, because LTT is now on the side of the USA, since there's a transnational government of Tamilam in USA. So Sri Lanka's only option is to get close to China. So while being a non-aligned country, so in that case, the People's Liberation Army, whether in uniform or not a uniform, they can come and do whatever the Sri Lankan government request, because it is the mandate of the people as a democratic country, elected representatives and the president and the prime minister of Sri Lanka carry out the mandate of the people to ensure sovereignty of the country, because the president has got a mandate of more than 69 lakhs of people, whereas the prime minister Mahinda Rajapaksa has 2/3 majority in the parliament. So this is what is happening, and not to, this can't be viewed as something that irritate the US just because the Chinese People's Liberation Army soldiers repair the ancient kings, before Christ period lakes, because that's how it is when US get aligned with the LTT, Sinhalese get aligned with the China. So these wrong decisions of the US Pentagon Defense, headquarters have resulted in this situation. So unless US correct their foreign policy towards Sri Lanka and drop this so-called Foreign Affairs Committee US Congress discussing about the Tamil homeland concept under the particular act to be passed in the US Senate and the House of Representatives, and change its policy towards Sri Lanka, this problem would not end, because we take decisions independently to stand alone on our own. Anyone can help. European Union may withdraw, may not withdraw. So it's up to them. They are the ones who gave it. They are the ones who are taking away. US help, US decided not to help and align with the LTT transnational government of Tamil Nadu. Similarly, Sri Lanka government also have a right to decide what to do since we are a democratically elected country.